fuck? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Did you hear that shit? Yo, what the fuck? That ice cream truck music just came out of nowhere. My God, I got so fucked up by that sound. Oh, fuck. Man. Fuck. Man. I love horror movies and all, but when it happens in real life, it just fucking freaks me the fuck out, you know? It's like, you know, if anything could, like, fucking happen in real life or some shit, it could freak me the fuck out, you know? It's like, that's just me, you know? I'm guessing I'm just too much of a pussy, I guess. But, shit. The orange red moon is one yet of a clockwork orange. Don't you just love the night sky? Sometimes. Luckily, there's no ice truck playing in the background. Cause that was creepy last night. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, or don't, you know me. But yeah. Oh shit. But yeah. Good times.